Living in Italy taught me that being strong can feel very lonely. Kasi, palaging iniisip ng ibang tao na okay ka dahil nasa abroad ka. Hindi nila nakikita yung silent battles mo araw-araw. Yung pagod ka na physically, emotionally, mentally, pero kailangan mo pa ring bumangon para magtrabaho. Working in luxury hospitality also taught me something important. The most elegant people are not always the richest. Minsan, sila pa yung pinaka-humble at pinaka-magalang. And honestly, living abroad changed me. It made me softer, stronger, and more understanding of people's hidden struggles. Kaya ngayon, kapag may taong tahimik lang na lumalaban, iba na yung respeto ko sa kanila.